Hi, my YouTube channel families. Today we're diving deep into the world of Telegram, not just as a messaging app, but as a powerful tool to generate some serious side hustle income. That's right, we're talking about 10 proven strategies to monetize your Telegram presence, even if you're starting from scratch. If you're new to the channel, and the idea of adding some extra digits to your bank account sounds good, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock Telegram's money-making potential. Now, the first rule in the world of online income is to avoid being the jack of all trades, master of none. You need to carve out your corner of the internet. Your digital homestead, and Telegram is no different. We're talking about building a channel around a specific niche, something you're passionate about, whether it's the future of cryptocurrency, the art of restoring vintage watches, or the ever-evolving world of AI technology. Find your tribe, become the go-to expert, and watch as your audience and your income potential skyrockets. Okay, so you've got your niche, you've got your growing audience, now it's time to monetize that expertise. Think about it, what digital products can you offer that provide immense value to your Telegram community? We're talking comprehensive ebooks, in-depth online courses, downloadable templates, and even software solutions tailored to their needs. Remember, knowledge is power. And in this case, it's also a powerful revenue stream delivered straight through Telegram. Let's be real. We all have our favorite products and services, things we genuinely recommend to our friends and family. Well, with affiliate marketing on Telegram, you can get paid for those recommendations. Join relevant affiliate programs, share your unique links within your channel, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, boom, you earn a commission. It's like getting a bonus for sharing things you already love. Chapter 4. Premium Memberships, the VIP experience. Exclusivity creates demand, and that's where premium memberships come in. Imagine offering your Telegram audience a next-level experience, access to a private channel with exclusive content, in-depth market analysis, one-on-one coaching calls with yours truly. The possibilities are endless. By creating a paid membership tier, you're not only providing incredible value, but also establishing a recurring revenue stream that takes your Telegram game to the next level. Chapter 5. Consulting services, your expertise on demand. You've spent years honing your skills, mastering your craft. Why not monetize that expertise directly? Telegram offers a fantastic platform to market your consulting services. Create compelling posts highlighting your success stories, offer free 15-minute consultations to showcase your value, and watch as your Telegram channel transforms into a lead generation machine, connecting you with clients eager to tap into your knowledge. Chapter 6. Contests and giveaways, the growth hacking strategy. Everyone loves free stuff, right? Contests and giveaways are an incredible way to inject some excitement into your Telegram channel while simultaneously growing your audience and attracting potential sponsors. Partner with businesses in your niche to offer amazing prizes. Require participants to join your channel and invite friends. It's a win-win situation that boosts engagement and puts your Telegram channel on the map. Chapter 7. Merchandise. Wear your brand, spread the word. If you've built a strong brand and a loyal Telegram community, why not create some awesome merch? T-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, the possibilities are endless. Not only does it allow your audience to proudly rep your brand, but it also serves as a walking billboard, spreading awareness and generating some extra cash flow for your entrepreneurial endeavors. Remember, merch isn't just about selling products, it's about building a brand identity. Chapter 8. Crowdfunding and donations fuel your passion. Creating valuable content takes time, effort, and sometimes even financial investment. If you're consistently delivering high-quality content that resonates with your Telegram audience, don't be afraid to explore crowdfunding or donation options. Platforms like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee allow your most loyal followers to directly support your work, ensuring you can continue to provide the content they love while also generating income from your passion. Chapter 9. Events and webinars, the power of live engagement. Take your Telegram expertise to the next level by hosting live events, workshops, or webinars centered around your niche. Promote these events through your channel, offer exclusive early bird discounts to your Telegram community, and use the platform to engage with attendees before, during, and after the event. It's a fantastic way to solidify your authority, provide immense value, and generate revenue from your knowledge and experience. Chapter 10. Bot Development, Automate Your Way to Income. Telegram bots are like your digital assistants, automating tasks and enhancing the user experience. If you've got a knack for coding or are willing to invest in a developer, creating a useful Telegram bot can be a lucrative endeavor. Offer subscription-based services, integrate ads strategically, or even create custom bots for businesses looking to leverage Telegram's vast user base. Outro: Telegram, your side hustle powerhouse. There you have it, guys. 10 proven strategies to transform your Telegram channel from a simple messaging app into a money-making machine. Remember, success takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment, see what resonates with your audience, and constantly refine your approach. Now, I'm curious. Which of these strategies are you most excited to implement? Drop a comment below and let me know. Let's turn those Telegram notifications into profit notifications. And as always, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and entrepreneurial insights. Until next time, best of luck building your Telegram empire.